Roscoe, shut up your mic. I'm not going to get any.
Cut! Lina, darling. The microphone's right there, in the bush.
Yeah?
Look, Lina, there's the microphone, right there in the bush. You have to talk into it.
I was talking.
Lina, the sound goes through that cable into a box where a man records it on a big record in wax. But first, you have to talk into it.
Gee, this is dumb.
Yes, this is dumb. Quiet. Lights, roll.
Oh, dear, you shut up. You're letting the danger.
Lina, darling, you have to talk into it.
Well, I can't make love to a bush.
We'll think of something else.
The mic is in one place, her mouth in another. You'll never get sound electronically.
What are you doing? Why are you sound?
Okay, look, Lina, the microphone's in that flower. Now this time, it should pick up whatever you say. Let's see how that sounds, okay? All right, quiet. Lights, roll 'em.
Oh, dear,
What's that sound?
That's the
Swell, that's just swell. Cut.
Addiction is flicking the flickers and gone is the silence that wants you to be.
Okay, Lina, look, this time it's attached on your shoulder. This time it should pick up whatever you say. You would just try not to make any sudden jerky movements. You would not want to disconnect that. All right, here we go. Again, quiet. Lights, roll 'em.